Alright, welcome back. Today I want to talk about changing the height of a function, and I'm going to say height in air quotes. This is really going to boil down to vertically stretching or shrinking your polynomial or whatever graph you're working with. And to do this, you're just multiplying the function by some number a out in front. And if a, the number in front, is bigger than 1, then this is going to result in a vertical stretch. And if a is between 0 and 1, meaning it's a proper fraction or some kind of decimal, then this is going to result in a vertical shrink. So let's look at some examples. Oh, I don't know why it's going crazy. If I have the function f of x equals 3 times x squared minus 5x plus 4, this 3 out in front is bigger than 1, so this is going to result in a vertical stretch by 3. Oh, I don't know why it's going crazy on me. If I look at another function, say f of x equals 2/3 times 7x cubed minus 9x squared, that 2/3 right here, this 2/3 is between 0 and 1. 2/3 is 0.6 repeating, so that's between 0 and 1, and this results in a vertical shrink by 2/3. I'm going to do one or two more problems for you and see how that goes. So if f of x is equal to 11/5 times 6x squared plus 3x to the 5th power, this 11/5 as a proper, or not as a proper fraction because I can't make it a proper fraction, as a mixed number is 2 and 1/5, and 2 and 1/5 is greater than 1, so this is going to be a vertical stretch by 11/5. If you've got something like f of x equals 0.3 times 9x to the 5th minus 4x to the 4th plus 2x cubed, again we want to look at this 0.3, and that 0.3 is between 0 and 1, so this is a vertical shrink by that 0.3. And now I had some students asking me how you can tell if a fraction is bigger than 1 or between 0 and 1, and it all boils down to just comparing the numbers of the fractions. So I want to talk about that for just a second. If I've got a fraction a over b, if a is bigger than 1, so I'm just comparing the sizes of them. If a is bigger, I'm sorry, not bigger than 1, bigger than b, if the top number, the numerator, is bigger than the bottom number, the denominator, the fraction a over b is bigger than 1. And if a is less than 1, the top number is less than the bottom number, numerator less than denominator, then the fraction a over b is less than 1. It's that simple to tell if a fraction's bigger than or smaller than 1 just by comparing the two numbers. Once that top number is bigger than the bottom number, the whole number is bigger than 1. If the bottom number is bigger than the top number, denominator bigger than numerator, that whole fraction is less than 1. So that's a quick way to tell. and just a quick summary of how to vertically stretch and shrink your graphs by using these two rules right here. If your number's bigger than 1, it's a vertical stretch. If your number's bigger than 1, it's a vertical stretch. And if your number's between 0 and 1, it's a vertical shrink. I hope that answers some of your questions. Have a great day.